Hello friends, this is Amit, your mentor at mentorbuddy.com, and here we will learn a concept of percentages. We'll discuss here a very important concept of percentage that is called concept of successive percentage change. First of all, let's understand that what is successive percentage change. Whenever you have visited any malls or any shop, you must have seen some things like this, that there is an offer which is offer of 50 plus 40% off. 50 plus 40% off. This thing you must have seen somewhere or the other. You have seen that 50 plus 40% off or something like this. So why people are writing that 50 plus 40% off? Can't they write 90% off? Right? This is the thing to notice, right? And sometimes what happens, these things are what? This is called successive discount. This is called successive discounts. What does it mean, successive discounts? Successive discount means that discount the first percentage discount is given, then on the final value the second discount is given, right? So let's understand that what will happen when 100 rupees is discounted by 50 plus 40%. See, ideally it is looking like that the discount of 90% is going on, right? But what will happen? See, when first discount will apply, that is 50% off, that is 50% is decrease. 50% of 100 is what? 50% of 100 is 50. So subtract 50 from it, it will become 50. Now the final value after 50% discount is 50 rupees. Now from 50 subtract 40%. 40% of 50 is what? See, finding direct percentage, you can see the other concept video in which I have discussed the finding direct percentages, right? So how to find direct 40%? That is equivalent to 20. So deduct 20 from it, so it will become 30. Okay, so it means the final value after 50 plus 40% discount is coming out to be 30, which is coming out from 100. That is, the actual discount, the effective discount is coming only 70%, because 70 rupees is decreased only, and we were thinking that it should decrease 90 rupees. Okay, this is the beauty of successive discount, right? I mean, in discount case, the actual percentage decreases, and in increasing case, that is successive percentage increase, the actual value will increase. For example, if I am saying the price of an article, if a price of an article is increased by 20%, right? And then further the price of an article is increased by, let's suppose, 10%. If I'm saying the price of an article is increased by 20% in a year, and then in the next year it is again increased by 10%, then what will be the effective percentage increase in the price of an article? Okay, it is looking like that 20% increase and 10% increase, so it should be 30%. But the thing is not like this. See, take an example of 100 and increase 20% in 100. What it will become? It will become 120, right? And then from this final value again increase 10%. What will happen? 10% of 120 will be 12, right? Increase 12 in it, it will become 132. Okay, from 100 it has become 132. It means the actual increase is of 32 rupees, which is 32% of 100. Okay, so the final increase is not 30%, but it is 32%, which is more than the actual values, right? More than the actual percentage which is looking like. So this thing is called successive percentage change. It means the percentage is increased, and then if the percentage increase, then on the final value the next percentage is applied. It is not like that you have added all the percentages and then you are doing it, right? So how to find this successive percentage? There are a lot of questions which are based on successive percentage change, right? There are a lot of questions which are based on successive percentage change, and you know that most of us, doing by taking 100. We are solving these questions by taking values 100, right? What we do if there is an increase of 20%, because increasing in 100 is very easy, right? But what will happen if something like this comes in your question, like the price of an article is increased by 15%, and then next year the price of an article is increased by 12%. Okay, then what will happen? Then if you are taking 100 as a base value and you are trying to solve a question, what will happen? That 100 you will increase, in 100 you will increase 15%, it will become 115. If you are increasing 15%, it will become 115. Then increasing 12% in this will become a bit difficult, right? You know the shortcut method to find percentage, as we have already discussed, but here it will become a typical situation, right? So how to handle these type of situations? So for handling these type of situation, we have a shortcut to find a percentage increase or decrease. What that shortcut says, that whenever there is an increase or there is a decrease of any percentages, what you have to do, you just have to apply it. That is, that percentage change, successive percentage change, for successive percentage change, you can write it as successive percentage change. The formula gives x plus y plus xy upon 100. This is a formula which says whenever you have to find, let first percentage be x, the second percentage be y, then the successive percentage change will be equivalent to x plus y plus xy upon 100, where x and y are percentages. See, if there is a percentage increase, we will take a positive value. If there is a percentage decrease, we will take a negative value. Okay, apply this formula in our question, initial question, that is percentage increase of 20%, and then there was increase next year, there was increase of 10%. So our answer was coming 32%. Let's apply in this. So this formula says that x plus y plus xy upon 100. So x is 20 plus y is 10 plus 20 into 10 become 200 upon 100. That is equivalent to 20 plus 10 plus 2, that is 32. Yes, it is coming. Without solving anything, it is coming. Now apply this same formula in that typical situation which was coming, right? What was that typical situation in which there is lot of calculation, that is 15% increase and then 12% increase in the next year, right? In this we were getting a lot of calculations. Let's apply this formula. 15 is the x value of x plus value of y is 12 plus 15 into 12 will become how much? 180, right? 180 divided by 100. So it will become how much? It will become 27 plus 1.8, that is coming out to be 28.8%. Okay, if the value is positive value is coming, then it is percentage increase. Final net change is percentage increase. Okay, so this is very easy. See, have you seen that so much calculation has been reduced, right? It is just a shortcut method to find a percentage increase. Okay, there can be situations in which, not in all the cases there will be only increase or only decrease, right? See, first we'll take one more example that we have discussed initially, that is 50 plus 40% off. It means there was discount of 50%, right? There was a discount of 50 plus 40% off. It was, so off means discount means you are reducing it. So there is a decrease of 50% and then again there is a decrease of 40%. So how to apply in this? Minus 50 will become x, right? Minus 40 will become y, and minus 50 multiplied by minus 40 will become plus, right? Minus into minus will become plus, and 50 into 40, you can write 50 into 40 divided by 100, right? From 20 you can cancel out 20. So it became minus 50 minus 40 and plus 20. So it becomes minus 50 minus 40 and plus 20, which is coming out to be minus 70. It means 70% discount or 70% off or 70% reduced, right? So the final value is coming exactly what we have calculated, right? So this method is called successive percentage change, right? So there can be situation in which one value is decreased and another value is increased. For example, there can be situation the price of an article is increased in a year is increased by 20%, and then on the next year it is decreased by 10%. For example, first the price is increased by 20% and then the price is decreased by 10%. Then what will happen? The value of x is plus 20, the value of y is minus 10, plus 20 multiplied by minus 10 will become minus 200 upon 100. So this will become what? Plus 20 minus 10 is finally plus 10, plus 10 minus 2 is 8, plus 8. It means finally there is a 8% increase. Clear? There's a very good concept of percentages, that is called percentage successive change. Okay, so hope you have learned a lot in this, because we have discussed very good technique in this. Okay, thank you everyone.